Welcome. If you've noticed the new reply button showing up on messages in Telegram and you find it a bit distracting or unnecessary, you're not alone. The latest update introduced this feature, but the good news is you can easily turn it off in just a few clicks. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it on your PC. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open up the main menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize different parts of your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, look for an option called Chat Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section controls how your chats look and behave, including message interactions and layout features. Now, scroll through the chat settings until you find the option related to the reply button on messages. Once you see it, simply toggle it off. As soon as you disable this option, the reply button will no longer appear next to messages in your chats. That's it. The change applies instantly, so you can go back to your conversation.